We're making pumpkin s'mores dip, and I really like this because whenever I make s'mores, first of all, this is great for the fall time, but whenever I make a s'mores, it's just like a big mess. It falls apart, so when you make a dip like this, it's much easier to eat. It's easy to make, and it's perfect for Halloween. So grab a pie dish, and I'm using dark chocolate. And I'm going to cut this dark chocolate, the bars, into the squares, and just line the bottom of the pan with the chocolate. You could use any type of chocolate you like, but I like the higher percentage dark chocolate. It gives a really good flavor for this s'mores pumpkin dip. And then in all the little crevices, fill them in with some dark chocolate chips around our chocolate bar. Grab some pumpkin puree. Make sure you're using pumpkin puree. You don't want to use pumpkin pie filling because there's all different ingredients in there. Hit that with a pinch of salt, quarter cup packed brown sugar. Mix that with the pumpkin puree. Of course, pumpkin pie spice. Good splash of vanilla. And some fresh grated nutmeg. Give all those ingredients a good mix. Make sure everything is well combined. And then all we're going to do is take that pumpkin mixture and layer it on top of our chocolate in our baking pan here. So I have the oven preheated 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Just smooth out that layer of pumpkin on top of the chocolate. Make sure you have a nice even layer of that pumpkin puree mixture. And then I'm going to take some more pumpkin pie spice, put that over the top, and then line everything with marshmallows. Put that in the oven about 15-20 minutes. Marshmallows are going to get golden brown, and this pumpkin s'mores dip will be ready to enjoy. You could use anything you want to dip this with. I like to use graham crackers. You could use a spoon, serve it on a plate. Even chips work well. Just give it a few minutes to cool down after it comes out of the oven, and the s'mores pumpkin dip will be ready to enjoy.